This is from section 9.5 where you have to solve for a given variable. And I'm going to go ahead and write down the formula. L is equal to 6 times pi times z times h plus 6 pi z squared. And you notice that we only have variables. We do have coefficients, but we're just dealing with variables. So we're trying to solve for h. And you notice that we already have h on the right side of the equation. We have to somehow deal with this part of the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and subtract 6 pi z squared from both sides. And you notice that 6 pi z squared minus 6 pi z squared will be 0. So we're left with 6 pi z and h is equal to L minus 6 pi z squared. And that's all you have to do. I mean, you're dealing with variables, so you just have to write it the way you see it. And you notice on the right side that we have the product of 6 pi and z. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to divide both sides by 6 times pi times z. And we have to divide by 6 times pi times z. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Pi divided by pi is 1. Z divided by z is 1. So therefore this will become 1. And this is h equals, and like I said before, you're going to write the problem just the way you see it. So you have L minus 6 times pi z squared divided by 6 pi z.